We got Jonathan Sayset in the ZR1 on the inside lane coming up to the line. Then we have Matt Whittingham in the C8 Corvette. Let's see some racing.
Here we go, it's the finals. Best 2 out of 3, round 1.
C8 with a healthy game on the back, straight into third green. ZR1 charging hard.
C8 gets round 1 win.
Yeah, ZR1 didn't have his best jump off the line we've seen all night. I know he can do better, and I'm sure he's going to be digging deep to try to give himself a better shot this next time.
Got some squeaky brakes coming out of the C8.
Here we go. This is round 2. If the C8 wins again, it is over. I want to hear a big round of applause if the C8 comes through. Oh, better start for the ZR1.
Coming hard on the turn 4, C8 still out front.
C8 gets the win and the $2,000. Well done. Solid win. Spencer's an idiot.
Second place for the ZR1. First place.
C8
From
win.
the rear-wheel drive YouTube channel and the C8. See if we can get him to a burnout. Bring it out on this concrete for a victory.
Here we go, brother. Let's do a victory lap. You got it.
Alright, well if you guys have some time to stick around, we're going to do some grudge racing.
Stuff, man. Great job. What do you think of your first ever Freedom Factory appearance at Spectator Drag? I said, what do you think of your first ever win at the Freedom Factory?
This is nuts! Like, this isn't even real life, is it?
I know this is real life, dude. You just drove a lap around the Freedom Factory that very few people will ever do. Congratulations, man. Great stuff.
James, go. Want to do a burnout?
He said, watch it.
Oh, really?
Let's go! Hallelujah! You can't come to the Freedom Factory, win a race, and not do a burnout.
That's awesome. Alright guys, hang tight. We're going to send in some grudge racers.